What did Eric Holder accomplish by going to Ferguson?
I think what he accomplished was largely the symbolism of essentially saying to the community, everybody calm down, take a breath. You don't only have to rely on the local prosecution and local authorities, in whom, for better or for worse, you have minimum, or some of you have minimum trust. But we here at the Justice Department are also taking our own look at it. Earlier in the week before his visit, it was announced that they would be conducting their own autopsy.
A
But
third
a third
autopsy.
autopsy. But I very much agree with Stephen. Thank goodness that this was a calmer week for the citizens of Ferguson, especially in light of the astonishing fact and this really quite horrifying video of another shooting, which within 23 seconds, escalating from the police getting out of their vehicle to another man being killed. Thank goodness there was not another eruption of violence in that circumstance. Nonetheless, I think it's a very, very hard call. Eleanor raises some interesting questions about the prosecutor. I do think whichever way this goes, it could be a powder keg in October. And I think the symbolism of the Attorney General's presence is very important and helpful. But the reality on the ground of what the Justice Department can accomplish is slightly limited because they can't punish this officer for using excessive force. They can only punish this officer for using excessive force if he violates somebody's civil rights by doing so. And there would need to be some element of racial animus or some other misconduct that would translate this into a federal crime.